put in so much time and so much effort, and literally every day I'm thinking about the next session, training to be in top form, top condition.
My God, it's full of stars.
It's pretty uncharted territory.
Like this was what we trained for, this is what we aspired to surf, and we couldn't access it.
And I was like, I've got to get off the skate, I've got to jump.